Hey Jay, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out, Janessa spoke with you on Friday, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things short and quick. Just want to show you a couple of tips that you could do to potentially increase your traffic online. So, with that, let me get started. The first thing that jumps out is that your site has pretty much everything you want. It has a click to call, a couple of different buttons, get a free estimate, form submit right here. You have your go high level widget. So, a lot of good things that are happening here on the site. You have content, you have keywords, good things going on throughout your site. The one thing I would say is, I potentially have location pages. I'm not sure if you have them here. They're not click to there's not anything to click to. So if you're wanting to, maybe start ranking in some of these other areas, location pages are pretty common in terms of ranking for that. But really your site looks great and you're doing a lot of good things here. My first real tip would just be to really build and strengthen up this Google business profile. And the reason for that is really, you know, the organic listings only get you so much traffic because like to people search in different ways. Like some people will click on the first thing they see, which is a great reason to run ads, and I'll talk about that in a second. Some people go down to the map pack where, the top 3 Google business profiles are, and those pull up to 40% of the traffic. So you really want to be in those top 3. And looking at like roofing El Paso, you're not up here. Mac, you see they have 153 reviews, 4.6 star, 4.8, 4.8 versus your 4.4 and 79. That's not the only factor. I'll show you 3 things that you can do to really improve that, but that does come into play. And El Paso Roofing Co., they're number 1 here, and you're number 2. So if are to that top spot, not only are you going to pull in the most traffic there, but if you can kind of get to the top spot here, even the second spot, you're going to pull quite a bit of traffic. So, running ads, getting into the Google sponsored, all these things will drive traffic to your site. And so, how you really build and grow this, like I said before, reviews are a great way to show Google that you're doing work and you're doing a great job. And, there are a few ways to do it. You're obviously in Go High Level, the CRMs are very useful. You're also, you can purchase reviews. Some places offer that. We could potentially get you more 5-star reviews if you want to go the purchasing route. But one of the great ways we found is that you get a QR code, you set that QR code to your review form, and you print that out, laminate it, give it to your installers, and they can, after at the end of a job, give it to the property owner. The property owner can give you a review in the matter of seconds, if not a minute. So, really a great way to really build this up. If you can get 1 or 2 reviews a week, you're looking at, 50 to 100 reviews a year, which would really put you on pace and to destroy some of your competition here. So, reviews are really important. This information needs to be pretty consistent through the web. So your address, your hours, your website, your phone number. So for instance, say you have a Yelp page, right? If your hours vary from this, if it doesn't say 6 to 6, maybe it says we're open 24 hours or what have you. Uh, you know, that inconsistency Google doesn't like. They want to see that people will get the same information on whatever platform they go on. So really important that your information is consistent and it's everywhere on the web accurate. Last but not least, you want to add photos that are saved as keywords. So, if I wanted to save a photo, I would save it as like roofing El Paso, and I would tag it as a certain location, like say this location, and Google will think that you did a roof or you did a service in that area. So, and then you just kind of keep going out and out and building your search radius from there, and it kind of balloons like a flower. So, really important there. My last tip would just be to continue to build and grow this site. I mean, it looks good. Whoever's doing your site did a really good job. I mean, they're ranking you. You're ranking high for a lot of quality keywords. Your site looks fantastic. You know, but you just kind of want to continue to build, right? Because as you build, some of these fall off, and you don't want to drop in any standings. And just to show you, like El Paso's, they're beating you a little bit. They're ranking a little bit more keywords. They're getting a little less traffic though, and they're right there in terms of they have less do follow links, not quite as strong, but they're ranking for quite a few keywords and doing quite a bit there. So just to continue to beat them and blow them out of the water, just continue to grow and add some more do follow links, which are just links that send power to your site. So I hope this has been helpful. I hope it's been informative. If you need somebody that can help you out, that can, at least help you get your Google business profile starting to rank, please feel free to reach out. My contact information is in the email. Even if you just need information on, whatever I said in the email, I'd be happy to help either way. Um, I also have a link to my Google Calendar. Myself or my business partner Jackie would love to get in touch with you at whatever time is convenient for you. So go ahead and put that in, and one of us will get back to you. So have a great day, and God bless.